y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I really wanted to make a video about how I combat dandruff and keep my hair moisturized, especially during the winter time. So before I wash my hair, I like to take a spray bottle and put 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar and spray that all over my scalp, because apple cider vinegar is an antifungal and is great for getting rid of dandruff and stopping your scalp from itching. So now that I've washed my hair, I'm just going to part it into the top and the bottom, because that's how I like to detangle my hair. I usually do the back first and then the top. And I put a towel around my neck just to catch like all the excess water that's going to fall out of my hair, but I don't use it to actually dry my hair. Now with my first section of hair, I'm just drenching it with water so that I can finger detangle it before I go in with my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I always use is the Cream of Nature one from the Argan Oil line. It's super light and it makes my hair so much easier to detangle. After finger detangling, I like to go in with my tangle teaser just to work out more kinks. I actually use 2 different brushes and a wide tooth comb when I'm detangling my hair, just to make sure I'm working out all the kinks and all the knots. Of course, you always want to start at the bottom and then work your way up to the top, unless you just want to rip your hair out. After I fully detangled my hair, I like to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil. There's a lot of benefits to castor oil. It's great for your hair, it's great for your scalp. And then after I go in with the castor oil, I like to go ahead and start with my curl stretching pudding from Shea Moisture, which I really love when I'm doing twist outs. The last step is, of course, to go ahead and twist your hair up, whether you like to flat twist or like a plant twist. I like to flat twist my hair because I find it's easier and more efficient. And then once I get to the end of the twist, I like to go back in with my dimming brush and like brush it again just to make sure I get out all the kinks as I'm getting to the end, so that I could twist it up properly. Here I'm just showing you what my curls look like in case you were curious to see if we have the same hair type or whatever, but these are what my curls look like when they're wet. I basically finished majority of my hair and I just wanted to speed through this next section, and then the last section I have left, I'm going to slow that down and show you exactly what I do for a second time. I think I use these brushes in different orders throughout my whole head. It doesn't really matter. I think it's just important to use both to make sure you're getting out all your kinks. Now that my hair is all detangled and twisted up, I like to go back in with my black castor oil and put it all over my scalp and on the ends of each twist. After that's done, I like to take this mixture of oils, which is from Shea Moisture, and put that all over my scalp. It's really meant for your face, but I like to use it for my scalp. It's been working for me just fine, and I just think oil is oil. It doesn't matter if it's on your scalp or if it's on your face. So that is basically what I do to combat dandruff and keep my hair moisturized, especially during the winter time. Now I just pull the twist back into a ponytail and put my bonnet on and go to sleep just like this. I hope this video was able to help you, especially if you have hair like mine, or even if you don't have hair like mine. If this video helped you, please leave a like.